Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this lesson, we will understand the concept of volume and surface area of a cylinder. Let me draw a cylinder here. Suppose this is the top of a cylinder and this is the height. Let me draw it properly. Yes, height of a cylinder, and in last we will draw its bottom. Okay, as you know, the top and bottom of a cylinder is same. You can observe it. It is same. So it means it can also called a prism. So how can we calculate a volume? Volume you can just find by multiplying base area with its height. Suppose height is given 8 centimeter. Let me draw it. And radius is given 4 centimeter. How can we calculate its volume then? Base area means what? Base area means area of a base shape. Here is a base shape. This base shape is a circle. Yes, as you know, top and bottom, both shapes are same. So its radius must be same. It is 4 centimeter. How can we calculate its area? Area of a circle is pi r square. R is 4. Just multiply. 4 square is 16. 16 pi centimeter square. We just need to substitute the base area. This is a base area, that is 16 pi. We will just substitute 16 pi here and we will multiply 16 pi with the height of this shape. What is the height of this shape? 8. That is 8. Let's calculate it now. Answer will be 128 pi centimeter cube. Remember that the unit of volume will be cubic, right? So what if we calculate the surface area? What is meant by surface area? Before calculating the surface area, we need to know the shape, faces of this shape. We need to know the faces of this shape. Just observe. This is the first shape, that is the top, and the bottom is the second shape, that is the bottom, and top and bottom both are flat shapes. Both are flat shapes. But what about this third shape? That is a curved face. That face is a curved face. So just observe its height is same as it is given 8 centimeter. But what if this curved face, you want to open that curved face you want to open? It will look like this shape. What is this shape? Yes, a rectangle. But how can you say it is a rectangle? Just look at. If you want to open from this side, you just need to find the distance around this curve, this boundary. So this boundary is the length of this rectangle. This rectangle. So how can you calculate its boundary? Boundary is a circumference. So it will be 2 pi r is giving you 2 pi, and that is 4. It is 4 times 2 is 8 pi centimeter. So it means its length is 8 pi. But what about its height? Its height is already given. So how can you calculate its area? To calculate its area, we need to know length and breadth. Length is 8 pi and the breadth is already given, that is 8. After calculating, we will get the answer 64 pi centimeter square. So let's come back to the topic, surface area. How can we calculate? We can calculate the surface area by adding the area of all faces. Flat face, as you know, there are 3 faces. Flat face, there are 2 flat faces and there is a 1 curved face. So means you have to find the circle of top of this shape and bottom circle and then a curved face. So it means this pi, as we have already calculated here, so you can write its answer, you can just substitute its area, you know, it's 16 pi and the area of a second shape, bottom shape, is also 16 pi because the both are identical, and the third one is this curved shape, this is 64 pi. So now you can add both of them. It is 32 pi plus 64, and after solving them we are getting the answer, that is 96 pi centimeter square. So this is how you can easily calculate the volume and surface area of a cylinder.